Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a fake camera movement in CapCut. So I have a still video like this, and if you want to add a fake camera movement, you can just do this trick. So first, click on the clips and then zoom in a little bit. And if you want to add like some slide down or slide up movement, you can just click on the keyframe at the first and then go to the end of the video and add another keyframe, and at the second keyframe just move the video up or down, so like this for example, and it will go like this. Or if you want to make the video zoom in or rotate, you can do at the second keyframe, you can do this instead. So just zoom in and then rotate it a bit like this. Okay, so here is the result. Okay guys, so that is how you can add a fake camera movement on CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and don't forget to click on the thanks below. Thank you guys. Bye bye.